years ago, I was in San Diego with my mastermind group, 27 other friends and myself. And we had our meetings, we went out for dinner, and after dinner we decided we'd like ice cream. So we turned up at Baskin-Robbins exactly 9 p.m. when the manager was turning around the close time. Well, you could tell he was the manager, 16 years old, little white jacket and a cap. One of my pals knocks on the door, says, "Excuse me, 28 people for ice cream, 10 minutes work." Kid says, "Sir, we've closed." My friend looks through the glass door, sees 2 other kids and thinks, well, it's 3 kids working for minimum wage. I'll make them an offer. He said, $30 for you 3 and the sale of 28 ice creams. They huddled. A focus group to study the problem. The kid comes back and said, "Could you make it $40? We settled for 30. However, being sales trainers, we really appreciated that he tried to get more. Because that young man realized 2 very important principles. 1, life is a series of sales situations. Every day you sell yourself, your ideas, your expertise, your business, your point of view, your value. And 2, the answer is no if you don't ask.